Summer in Colorado gives you the chance to get out on the water. When you're relaxing and having fun, you should know about a troubling trend that's been on the rise: drunk boating accidents. These can lead to serious injury and even death. In the next few minutes, I'll explain what steps you should take if you're injured by a drunk boater on the water. If you're injured by a drunk boater, documentation is going to be really important. So getting the person's boating license, driver's license who is operating the boat that caused injury, taking photographs, document the damage and what occurred, and also making sure that you're getting police involved. Every waterway should have some sort of law enforcement that's assigned to it that should be able to take a report of what occurred. In addition to documenting what happened and who was at fault and how it occurred, you're going to want to make sure that your injuries are also documented as to what you suffered as a result of the incident. Any sort of hospital physician or urgent care or primary care physician should be able to perform a physical examination and correlate injuries that you sustained to the incident. There's a few different types of damages somebody could expect to recover in a personal injury case. There's economic damages, non-economic damages, physical impairment and disfigurement, potentially even punitive damages. So economic damages are anything that you can assign a dollar sign to that you either lost or incurred because of your injuries. So medical bills, lost wages, out-of-pocket expenses. Non-economic damages include things that aren't as easy to assign a dollar figure to. This would be something like the pain that you endured as a result of your injuries, the distress that you felt from being injured, and the way this has impacted your normal day-to-day activities and your inability to do the things you normally would do. Physical impairment and disfigurement are just those scarring, permanent limitations that you may have. You can get compensation for that as well. Punitive damages can be available if you establish that the at-fault party was willful and wanton or reckless in their conduct. And in those cases, those damages are meant to punish the offender as opposed to compensate you for what happened. Someone should seek an attorney's help if they've been injured by a drunk boater, because establishing fault will be crucial in the case, and that will require an understanding of the evidence. Who was at fault, who did what are the boating laws that were violated other than potentially driving while under the influence. And then causation is going to be important. Documenting your injuries and how those were related to the conduct of the at-fault party. These are things that attorneys are experienced in handling and know what proof or evidence the law requires to establish those things. If you have been injured in a boating accident caused by a drunk boater, our team can help you. Reach out to us to start your case assessment to get the compensation you deserve.